2022 has seen a bumpy road for China's economy, facing multiple challenges. But the recent Central Economic Work Conference said that an overall recovery is to be expected next year in the year 2023.
It's been a bumpy road for China's economy through 2022. Facing multiple challenges, the recent Central Economic Work Conference said that an overall recovery is expected for the next year, and a firm confidence is necessary for economic rebound. Uncertainty stemming from the domestic COVID-19 situation, persistent stress in the real estate sector, a volatile international situation, and the U.S. sharp financial tightening. Significant risks have strained China's economy in 2022, but there are highlights.
The biggest highlight in China's economy was the strengthening of its manufacturing supply chain. When we look at the export figure, the component of advanced machinery, consumer electronics, and intermediate industrial inputs are taking a larger share.
Wang says another highlight is green transition.
Despite the slowdown in investment for housing and local infrastructure, China's investment in solar, for example, had already tripled this year comparing to the level last year.
Facing strong headwinds, supporting the real economy has become a major task for decision makers across various fields.
今年以来，面对超预期因素影响。
Since the start of this year, our bank has continued to increase support for the real economy and help stabilize the broader economic market facing unexpected factors. By the end of September, the outstanding balance of RMB loans had exceeded 4 trillion yuan, and that of foreign trade industry loans had reached 2.8 trillion yuan, an increase of 438 billion yuan from the beginning of the year.
5G now expanded from the consumer internet to broad areas, such as the industrial internet, the internet of vehicles, the internet of things, etc. In the future, it will unleash more energy in promoting the deep integration of the digital economy and the real economy.
The Central Economic Work Conference demanded making economic stability a top priority for 2023. Proactive fiscal policy and prudent monetary policy will continue to be implemented. Economist Wang Dan says the housing sector and consumption could be the main drivers for the Chinese economy in 2023.
This year, the consumer market has been in contraction, especially for smaller cities and counties. But in 2023, we believe the situation would improve greatly, especially in the second half, when most businesses go back to normal schedules. And when that happens, we also know that tons of foreign investors have been anxiously waiting for China to open up again.
Experts say clear policy signals are critical for boosting market confidence. As COVID restrictions are being lifted, companies and individuals will need clearer micro-policy signals and timeline, hoping for more liquidity from the central bank and the government in support of recovery.